Welcome to Priya's Max Note, and in today's session we are going to see the complete solution of the exercise 8.3, and topic here is the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. And what is complementary angle? If a plus b is equal to 90 degree, then a and b are called complementary angles. If a plus b is equal to 90 degree, then a and b are called complementary angles. Okay, this is the first key points you have to remember. And second key point here is the identities. Here cos and sine always comes as a pair, cot and tan always comes as a pair, and cosecant and secant always comes as a pair. See here, cos of 90 minus a is sine a. Similarly, sine of 90 minus a is cos a. Okay, and cot of 90 minus a is tan a, and tan of 90 minus a is cot a, vice versa. And cosecant of 90 minus a is secant a, and secant of 90 minus a is cosecant a. These are friends to each other. Cos and sine always comes as a pair, cot and tan always comes as a pair, and cosecant and secant always comes as a pair. Here note that cos ends with letter S and sine start with the letter S. Cot ends with letter T and tan starts with letter T, and cosecant ends with secant and secant start as secant. Right, in this manner you can remember. Okay, it is easy to remember, right? If you remember the ending letter, the starting letter, you can remember the identity easily. Okay, identity is cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta, and cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. These are the identities you have to remember to solve the upcoming problems. Okay, problem number 1. Evaluate sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. These are 1 mark type questions, and you have to solve this type of question in fraction of seconds. I'm going to explain this problem, so I will take some time, and after explanation I will give the trick to solve this problem easily. Okay, sine of 18 by cos of 72, which is equal to, here see 72 is there in the denominator, so reform the numerator in terms of 72. That is sine of 90 minus 72 degree is sine of 90 minus 72 is 18. Therefore transform this numerator is in terms of 72. Okay, by cos of 72 degree. Okay, sine is always a friend of cos, right? Therefore, sine of 90 minus 72 is cos 72. Cos of 72 by cos of 72, which is equal to 1. Hence the solution. Okay, now next subdivision. Same thing. Tan of 26 degree by cot of 64 degree. See, the denominator is in terms of 64 degree. Therefore, transform the numerator in terms of 64 degree. Tan of, we can write 26 as 90 minus 64 degree, right? 90 minus 64 is 26. Cot of 64. Tan is always a friend of cot, right? Therefore, tan of 90 minus a is cot a. Therefore, tan 90 minus 64 is cot 64. Cot 64 by cot 64, which is equal to 1. Hence the solution. And third subdivision. Cos of 48 minus sine 42 degree. Here, write 42 in terms of 48. Okay, transform 42 in terms of 48, which is very simple. Sine of 90 minus 48 is 42 degree. transform this 42 as 90 minus 48. Okay, we are dealing with complementary angles, therefore 90 will come in each and every problem. Complementary angles is a plus b is equal to 90 degree, therefore b is equal to 90 minus a. It will be of the form 90 minus a only throughout this exercise. Therefore you can easily remember, for complementary angles you are going to transform any one of the angle in terms of 90 minus theta. Okay, cos of 48 minus sine is always a friend of cos, right? See here, sine is always a friend of cos, therefore sine of 90 minus s is cos a, cos 48 degree, which is equal to, cancel out, it is 0. Hence the solution. Okay, very simple, right? And subdivision 4 is also similar type of problem. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. Write 59 degree in terms of 31, right? Cosecant of 31 degree minus secant of 90 minus 31, right? 90 minus 31 is 59. Therefore cosecant of 31 degree, secant is always a friend of cosecant. Secant of 90 minus a is cosecant a. Therefore secant of 90 minus a is cosecant of 31 degree. 31 degree cancel out, and the result is 0. Hence the solution. Remember, the division form, the answer will be always equal to 1, and the difference of two terms will be always equal to 0. In a fraction of seconds you can write, if the question is in terms of division, and if you add the both the angles, if it comes to 90 degree, then it is a complementary angle type. And if here see 26 plus 64 is 90 degree, and here 48 plus 42 is 90 degree, and 31 plus 59 is 90 degree. These are complementary angles. Therefore if it is of division type, the answer will be 1, and if it is of difference type, the answer will be 0. In a fraction of second you can solve this problem in the examination. You need not solve each and every step. See and answer the problem, and save time in the examination. Okay, and let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 2, the same thing. We are going to use the same thing here. Here it is degree. Okay, what is tan? Here see here, tan 48 and tan 42 are one pair, and 23 and 67 is another pair, which will form a 90 degree. Therefore form the pair correctly. Tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree, tan 23 degree and tan 67 degree. Okay, which is equal to tan 48 degree. Write 42 is in terms of 48. Okay, tan of 90 minus 48, and tan 23 degree. Write 67 in terms of 23. Okay, tan of 90 minus 23. Okay, tan 48 degree, and tan 90 minus theta. What is the friend of tan? Cot, right? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Therefore cot 48 degree. Tan 23 degree, and tan of 90 minus 23 is cot 23. Therefore cot of 23 degree. What is cot theta? Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. By previous chapter, previous exercise, we know that cot theta is always 1 by tan theta, right? Tan 48 degree by 1 by tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree into 1 by tan 23 degree. Cancel out, and the resulting solution is, answer is 1. Hence the solution. Hence proved. LHS is always equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Similarly, the subdivision 2 can be solved in a similar manner. Let us solve the subdivision 2. Cos of 38 degree and cos 52 can be written as in terms of 38. Okay. Cos of 90 minus 38 degree minus sine of 38 degree, and 52 can be written in terms of 38 as sine of 90 minus 38 degree. Okay, which is equal to cos of 38 degree, and cos is in terms of is a friend of sine, right? Therefore cos 90 minus a is sine a, that is sine 38 degree minus sine 38 degree. What is sine of 90 minus a? It is cos a. Sine and cos are friends, therefore sine of 90 minus a is cos a, cos of 38 degree. Therefore cos 38 sine 38 cos 38 sine 38. These terms gets cancelled and the answer becomes 0, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS and hence is a solution. Now let us move on to the problem number 3. Tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. What is given here? Given tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. In this type of problem, we are going to use 2 points. Remember 2 points, okay? First thing is, with the given equation, mark as equation 1, and second point you have to remember is use the identity, okay? Identity and form equation 2 and equate 1 and 2. These 3 points you have to remember. Given equation, mark it as 1 and use the identity. Now you are going to use the identity. Tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a, right? Since tan a is nothing but tan 90 minus a is tan a is nothing but cot of 90 minus a, right? Tan and cot are friends. Tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus a from the identity, right? Mark it as equation number 2. Now equate both the equation. Cot of a minus 18 equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. If cot a is equal to cot b, then a is equal to b, right? Therefore a minus 18 is equal to 90 minus 2a. Therefore 3a is equal to 90 plus 18, which is equal to 108, which is 3a is equal to 108, a is equal to 36 degree. The value of a is 36 degree and hence the solution. Okay, so it is a very simple problem. You have to remember these 3 points. First, mark the given equation as equation 1 and use the identity and mark it as equation 2 and equate 1 and 2 and solve and get the value of a. Okay, these 3 points you have to remember while solving this problem. Okay, next solution, next problem. Problem number 4, same thing we are going to do. First, mark the given equation as equation number 1, cot b, equation number 1. Now use the identity. Tan a can be written as cot of 90 minus a, right, from the identity. From identity. See here, tan 90 minus a is cot a, right? Cot 90 minus a is tan a, right? Therefore cot 90 minus a is tan a. Mark it as equation number 2. Now we equate 1 and 2. Cot b is equal to cot of 90 minus a. Therefore 90 minus a is equal to b. Therefore a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Now let us move on to hence proved. Now let us move on to problem number 5. Same thing we are going to use. First, equate the given equation as equation number 1 and use the identity. Secant theta is equal to cosecant of 90 minus theta, right? Therefore, secant 4a is equal to cosecant of 90 minus 4a. Mark it as equation number 2. Equate 1 and 2. Since secant 4a equal to cos a minus 20 and secant 4a is equal to cosecant 90 minus 4a, cosecant of a minus 20 is equal to cosecant of 90 minus 4a. Therefore, 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. If cosecant of a is equal to cosecant of b, implies a is equal to b, right? Therefore, 90 plus 20 is equal to 5a. A is equal to 110 by 5, which is equal to 22 degree. A is equal to 22 degree, which is the value of A. Hence the solution. Now let us solve problem number 6. If A, B, C are triangle, interior angle of the triangle, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to A. Here the points, what are all the points we have to remember is the interior sum of the interior angle property of triangle, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the interior angle of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. This is the property we are going to use here. And second thing is we are going to use the identity formula. Identity. Okay. Now we know that by triangle property, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Therefore, divide by 2 on both sides. Therefore, B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. Therefore, B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Therefore, multiply by take sine on both sides. Sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. Now you are going to use the identity. What is sine of 90 minus theta? It is cos theta. See here, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, cos of A by 2. Hence proved. Sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. Hence the solution. Okay, and let us move on to problem number 7. Now let us solve the last problem in this exercise. Express sine 61 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degree. Here observe the question. Here 61 degree is greater than 45 degree and 75 degree is also greater than 45 degree. We have to retransform this term in between 0 and 45 degree. That is, these two angles should be lesser than 45 degree. Okay, we have to transform in such a way that the angle should be less than 45 degree. Okay, and now let us consider sine 61 degree. Okay, sine 61 degree can be written as sine 67 degree. Actually is sine 67 degree. Okay, sine 67 degree is nothing but 90 minus 23 degree. 90 minus 23 is 67. Okay, we can transform the 67 in terms of 23. Okay, and which is equal to cos of 23 degree. Since sine and cos are friends, here see sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, sine of 90 minus 23 is cos 23. And similarly, let us consider cos of 75 degree. Cos of 75 degree. 75 can be written as sine of cos of 90 minus 15 degree. 90 minus 50 is 75, right? 75 can be written as 90 minus 15, and cos can be written, cos of 90 minus theta can be written as sine theta, sine of 15 degree. Okay, now from 1 and 2, sine of 67 degree plus cos of 75 degree is equal to, what is sine of 67 degree? Cos 23 degree. And what is the cos of 75 degree? Sine 15 degree. Hence we have written this term as the angle less than 45 degree. Oh, right, 23 is less than 45 and 15 is less than 45. We have achieved the required condition, right? And hence the solution. This is the answer. Both the angles are less than 45, hence the solution. And hope you understand the concept. And please subscribe this channel if you like it and share it with your friends. And thank you once again. Thank you all.